In this video, I will show you the purl stitch. Today, we're using our Crazy Sexy wool in the Cameo Rose colourway and a pair of our 15mm maple wood knitting needles. Let's get started. With the empty knitting needle held in your right hand, insert the tip of your right needle through the first stitch on your left needle, working from back to front, like so. Use your right hand to wrap the yarn around your right needle. Gently move the right needle back out of the stitch, scooping up a new loop of yarn in the process. You can now slide the old stitch off the left-hand needle. And that's how you work your first purl stitch. I'll show you those steps again. So using the tip of your right-hand needle, insert it back to front through the first stitch on your left-hand needle. Wrap the yarn around your right-hand needle and move the right needle back out of that stitch, scooping up a new loop. And you can complete your purl stitch by sliding the old loop off your left needle. And I'll show you once more. Insert the tip of your right needle through the first stitch on your left needle. Wrap the yarn around. Move the right needle back out of that stitch, scooping up a new loop. And then you can slide the old stitch off the left needle. So there you have it. That's how to work the purl stitch.